Okay, Sur-Ron pedal kit, sprocket wobble. Now, as you can see, when you're pedaling, the sprocket wobbles left and right. Maybe it's easier to see it like this. But if you're not pedaling and just using the throttle, the sprocket is straight. It's spinning really straight and there's no issue there. The issue is when you're pedaling. So a way to fix it, or not fix it, but make it better, is to just remove it and spin it 180 degrees, because it's, as you can see here, it looks like it's probably handmade, the shaving here. So if it's not perfect, there might be one way that it's better than the other. So now it's worse. So one thing you can do is loosen one bolt and tighten the other. That could help. Before I made this, now as you can see now, it's almost perfect and it's as tight as I can do it, so it will stay in place for a long time. So as you can see, it's just a matter of adjustment. It's possible that you need to flip it, and it's possible also that you need to start tightening one side before the other, as it's not a perfect fit. So, hope that helps.